How to fix NARAKA BLADEPOINT is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to open up the properties by right clicking on the game, and then in the launch options box you want to add -dx11 command. Now go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you can close Steam. And the next thing you will need to do is check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. For NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app, and for AMD, you will need the AMD software. And once you install the latest drivers, you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. And then from the second table here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 version and install them individually for the redistributables. Once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you will need to open Steam as admin, right click on Run as admin, and then launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.